Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create infographics in Canva on laptop. So you need to share info in a visual way. Let's make an infographic using Canva PC. So make sure you're logged on to canva.com, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, use the sign up option to simply sign up and then sign in to your account. Once you're here, click on the home section at the top left, and once you're on the home section, select templates and simply type in or simply search for infographic templates. So once you've searched for this, click on enter and you would find other samples of infographic templates like these. But you're going to mostly find both paid options, that's the Canva premium templates, and also the free options, which are available to everyone. Now, once you found the template you wish to use, go ahead and select the template and then go ahead and click on customize this template. So go ahead and customize the template and then you're shown the template as it is. You can go ahead and edit the icons and images that are available on the template. You could replace the placeholder image here with your personal image or your brand image. You could customize the text to fit whatever you're trying to shed light on or share information about. And you can also use the Elements tab to simply add charts. So click on Elements, use the search and search for charts, and then you can add a bar chart or a pie chart to it, and now make sure to stick to a couple of colors, like 2 or 3 colors, to try and keep your brand image intact. And also, a quick tip, use less text, more visuals. That's the secret to engaging infographics. And there you go, a beautiful infographic done in minutes with Canva PC. So, guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.